Joshua back again. I think it's the 12th today. Had some interesting developments here. As you see, the holes are still in the pipe. I don't have them plugged. The holes actually have affected the operation of the pipe. Right now I have the air right on its lowest setting and the propane high. So air low and propane high. I want to show you something. You turn the air's on low, right at its lowest setting. If I turn it up a bit, watch the end of the flame. You see that the orange goes completely out of the flame. I get a nice long level 2 burn. I'm still getting level 3 at the same time. When I turn it up, I'm turning up the air. Listen to the sound. Up a little more. Not touching the propane. Definitely the flame is centered in the center of the washer pack. So messing with the washer pack is going to do something here. You still see the flame through the hose. Now watch as I take this out. Change the pitch. Very bright. Put up the air a bit more. It's past the happy point there. It's actually taken away. Seems to be the resident point there. Just where you can see the flame separation there. You actually get the transition point. The flame is very, very steady. Put the washer pack in. I haven't even began to mess around with it yet. And to turn the air back down. Just maxed and it's taken away. That's right at the bottom end again. The air's on its lowest setting. A lot of orange coming out. Lost the transition state there at the gap. Okay, I'm going to leave the air right where it's at. And I'm going to turn down the propane. First time I turn up the air, and I'm going to turn down the propane. I'm not going to touch the air. A little bit too fast. I'm barely moving the propane there. I need one of those screw propane jobs where you can actually hand turn it. Turning the propane down. has actually enhanced the overall properties. Not quite a gap here. I don't see the gap yet. Can't wait till I start modifying this roll device here. Okay, and then turn it down just a tad more. So turning down the propane increases the heat level. Auto ignition. And then I've got to turn down to the lowest setting here. See what we have inside. Okay, right here it's basically on pilot. The exhaust temperature is going to be up around about 2,000 degrees. What I'd like to do at some point is be able to generate a very fast moving tight funnel. Victor Schoberger would be pleased. I believe you get the funnel to turn very, very fast. That's going to create an extreme pressure difference on the inside of the funnel. The inside of the funnel basically is going to be, should be very high vacuum. So whatever you put into the eye, it's going to rip apart. Basically trying to simulate the gate operation without the gate pipe. Okay. I'm just going to crank it up just a bit more. Very sensitive. So it seems like might need some kind of an air valve here. It does make a difference, and this is propane coming out. If you were to light it like so, it does light. See how the pitch changes? And if you light the top, it doesn't make a difference. But if you remove it, it changes the pitch. Okay. Turn it down, just tune it a bit. Turning down the propane only. And we turn up the air and turn down the propane. You see where we're getting separation there. The whistle could be the flame going through the holes. Okay, it's keeping about there. Now it's tightening the flame. So turning up the air tightens the flame, but so does turning down the propane. Well, she changed there. Use your air as a final adjustment there. Very nice flame, very steady. Okay, I think that's getting to the end of the flame here, or picture. It's interesting. So I'm going to mess around with the swirl device and see if that's going to make a difference if I add a little bit of swirl to it.